In earlier times, the lifestyle that people had was much more different than what we have today. People earlier were more exposed to the nature. They spent more time with the nature than we have been doing in the recent times. Our screen time is alarmingly high nowadays. So what can we do to take a quick break in a long, busy day to relax our eyes? Today, we'll take you through a sequence for your eyes to relax your optical nerves. But before we start with the session, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our Shri School of Yoga YouTube channel for more such content. Let's start by massaging the eyebrows. The first thing that happens when we are sitting in front of the screen and we are worried about something is we frown, we wrinkle our eyebrows. So let's straighten them and let's massage them from the center to the sides. Continue. And relax. Now place 2 fingers around the temple region and let's do some rotations here. Very gentle rotations, like a gentle massage to yourself. And relax. Now we will do some eye exercises. So place your thumbs, both the thumbs, at the place where the jaws and the skull, lower skull, they meet. Place your fingers behind the head. And now let's start moving the eyeballs up and down. And keep a gentle smile on your face. As you do this, you'll also feel some sensation, some movement behind the head. That's absolutely fine. Now right and left. Keep your eyes wide open as you do this. And relax. Now clockwise rotations. Make proper full circles. Anti-clockwise now. Make sure your head does not move as you do this. You might feel some tension. Just be with it. And relax. Now relax your arms. Put them on the lap. Palms are facing up towards the ceiling. And start batting your eyelids as fast as you can. We will do as much as we can. Now squeeze your eyes tight as you can. And open them wide. Squeeze and open. Squeeze and open. And relax. Now let's massage the area under the eyes. Above the eyes. Massage with the thumb under the eyebrows. and relax. Now let's do some variation of Tratak. Bring both the thumbs in front of you. Now we'll move the hand to the right and left without turning the head. First the right hand. Move the right hand away to the side, to the right side, and let your eyes follow the thumb. And take it as wide as you can. Bring it back to the center. Now the other hand. Left hand goes to the left. And keep looking at it. Don't turn the head. And bring the left hand back to the center. Again, the right hand to the right side. Do not turn the head. And bring it back to the center. The left hand goes to the left, as wide as you can take, and bring it back to the center. One last time, right hand. Bring it back to the center. The left hand to the left and bring it back to the center. Now you may drop the right hand down. Now as you take the left hand up without lifting the head up, follow the thumb with your eyes. Take your left hand as high as you can and bring it all the way down. Without tilting the head, look down at the thumb. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. And slowly come back to the center. Drop the left hand. Now we'll do the same thing with the right hand. Right hand to the center, in front of you. And bring the thumb close to the face. Eyes are following the thumb. And take the hand away. Again, close. Away. Close. Away. Now keep holding your thumb here. And gently take your attention from the thumb to a far off distant object, preferably a green tree or something that's green in color. Really far off. Even if it is outside the window, it's okay. Now bring your attention back to the thumb. We are working on changing the focal length of the eyes. Now again, attention on a distant object. We are training the muscle to work for objects in different distances. Now bring it back to the center, to the thumb. Now attention on distant far object. The eyes are fixed on it. And relax. Close your eyes for a moment. Now gently massage the eyes from above the eyelids, under the eyebrows. Press it a little bit if you wish to, and also under the eyes. Relax your hands and rub your palms against each other. really nice and faster if you wish to, up until you feel a lot of heat in your palms. And if you wish to, now you may cup your eyes. And relax the hands.